Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to find dropshipping products on AliExpress. So in order to do that, first of all, of course, you need to have a good AliExpress supplier. So let me open some seller's profile so that I can show to you on visual example how it works. So you should look for sellers that have at least 95% positive feedback, which is displayed right here at the top, and products that are rated above 4.7 stars. Let's go back to this item and enter reviews section, because reviews are really important, especially those ones with photos, because they can expose you real quality of the item and not just, like this polished photos that usually sellers provide you. Also, it's very smart to pay attention to sales number right here, because if a product, for example, has hundreds or thousands of orders, then usually it means that customers rely on this seller. What else? You can send a seller a quick question so that you can check how this seller will communicate with you. So here at the bottom left corner of your screen, go to messages. This is basically your chat. Here write your question and send it. Pay attention to how fast and clearly seller responds to you. And finally, check shipping options. And I recommend you to stick to AliExpress standard shipping or other delivery methods that can be tracked. This is very important, because if you're serious about working with that supplier, you need to make sure that your delivery will be as fast as possible. And personally, I would place a small test order for myself just to check, how fast delivery will be. And this way you will know exactly what your customers will expect from you in your store. So that were the main points. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.